Hi friends, I'm back today with a video all about crochet patterns and ideas for Valentine's Day. Even though all of our gift giving time usually comes around Christmas and that's just gone, um, Valentine's Day is also a great opportunity to give a little bit of another gift or make something handmade for people you didn't have time to make something for during the holidays when there's so much going on. Um, Valentine's Day is also really great for having kids involved and making small, easy projects with them. And some of these are great for kids too. So you can check these out. I will just kind of go through a list and talk about what types of patterns I like for Valentine's Day and what specific patterns I like as well. This is going to range kind of from accessories um, plushies, home decor, and just, things that I think are cute in general. So I will be putting up pictures up here of specific patterns and just talking through some ideas. If I'm looking away, I have my computer here just so I can keep track of what I'm looking at. But I will have all of the links and patterns and everything in the description below. So if you want to check them out, I have a blog post all about it and you can just take a look at all the different patterns. So let's get started. First idea I have for Valentine's Day is blankets. Um, I know they're kind of a bigger project, but it's still February. It's cold. You still want to get cozy, and there's so many cute Valentine's Day themes that you can do. You can do like a flowery theme. You can do hearts. You can do bears. Like you can do so many cute things. And one pattern that I really liked is my C2C heart blanket, which you can see it right there. It's just super easy, quick, and if you want to do a different pattern in the middle, you can also do that. But hearts, Valentine's, it's a super easy pattern. This is for a baby blanket, but the blanket that I made from this pattern turned out pretty big. And if you wanted to make it bigger, you can just super easily. So yeah, that is my first option. Second, I have plushies. There's so many different kinds of plushies you can make if you just want to make a quick gift, something fun and easy and like, I don't know, it's just something nice to have around. So you can go super realistic, like this crochet realistic heart here, or you can go something cute and like cartoony with something like this. Both patterns are linked. Um, Either in the video itself or I'll probably put them down below. So that'll be a bit easier, I think. Another good option you can do, especially if you have young kids or kids in like elementary school and they do a classroom exchange, if you want to do something for that, are smaller plushies, like little ones that just are easy to throw in a little gift bag, only take like 5-10 minutes to work up, such as this little Hershey Kiss. um, I really like that one. That one's a super cute one. Another pattern that I think is really cute for Valentine's Day is a garland. Specifically um this, what do you call it? Conversation hearts garland right here. I think is really cute, and it's just, you can write whatever you want, and I think it's a really easy, quick project. It's a great use of leftover scrap yarn. And yeah, you can add a little bit of Valentine's theme. Next up on the list is booties and slippers. It's still really cold out. Even I'm in California and I'm still cold here, but any anywhere you are, house slippers and warm, cozy anything is always a good idea. And for me, I really like these ones. I will have right there. Uh, this designer also makes a ton of slippers, so she has a lot of great ideas. And I have another post all about slippers and all about um, different booties and cozy things like that. So I can make a video on that soon, or you can just check them out over on my website. Another great idea for gift giving, especially for like a couple of people, you want to give something special, a little package of like handmade goods or something handmade with something store-bought are these little Valentine's bags. They're super cute and you can use them for a long time afterwards too for anything you want, and they look cute and they're functional, and I think they're super easy to make and they're perfect for Valentine's Day. In general, warm, cozy, fluffy accessories, things that keep you feeling comfy and loved and cuddled, are always like good gifts, I think. And there's a couple of things that fall into that category, like beanies, scarves, slippers, gloves, all of those things. And then there are some that are specifically Valentine's themed, and I will have links to those. You can make, for mittens, for example, I will try to find a pattern for those. I don't currently have one, but I've seen them. So I will, if I can find a picture and a link, I'll add them. You can make those mittens where you can hold hands while still keeping your hands in the mittens. I think those are cute. You can make matching beanies. This pattern here has a king and queen version, which so you can match a his and hers beanie. You can make a big fluffy cowl or a big scarf, especially since it's cold in most places and it's hopefully snowy and white. Um, a big pop of bright red or pink or something is always really nice, and it just adds a little bit of something, I think. I have a ton of beanie patterns, but my favorite for Valentine's Day and February really in general is the Juliet Beanie right here. Um, it's just like a dream to work with because it's a velvet yarn, it's super cozy, it works up really fast. The pattern is simple, it repeats really easily, and you could have this done in like an hour, maybe two. Um, but yeah, it's really easy and it's a really easy item to gift because it's super stretchy. So one size really will work for most people. Yeah, and it's all because it's just very stretchy velvet yarn and it's just great. Um, plushies, we have a couple of fun options. We have these two little married his and her little cherry plushies that I think they're just cute. They're a cute little set to have. You can make um, his and her little gnomes. I have this pattern here for two gnomes, and just change up the colors, make them pink, red, purple, all the Valentine's kind of colors, make them soft pastels, and they'd make a great decor item too. You can make teddy bears. Those are super easy and super fun too. Um, I have a pattern here for Theo the Valentine bear, also the same bear that I made in a plush yarn. Same pattern, everything. I just used a bigger hook and plush yarn, and I got this one, and I think he looks like a Care Bear. So yeah, those are really good, easy options as well. So those are a couple of ideas to get you started. I have every pattern specifically that I pictured and then specifically talked about linked either down below in the description or somewhere on screen. I also have a blog post that talks about all of these patterns and gives you the direct links to all of them. And on that blog post, I also have a bunch of more patterns that I didn't mention here, but there are more ideas that you can check out and take a look at. If you do make something handmade this Valentine's Day, consider wrapping it and giving it with a little handmade for you gift tag. These are super easy and super cute little tags that you just add a finishing touch and let people know that you made it yourself and that you made it for them because you love them or because you wanted to spend that time with them, spend that time on them. I have 3 different versions, and they are all on my blog, so I will link them down below. I have one that says, "This took forever, so you better like it." One that says, "I made this for you." And one that says handmade just for you. So there are a couple of options of shapes and text to go with that. And yeah, that is all for today. Most of these are kind of geared toward women and kids, and I do think men have slightly different tastes, so I will have another video with that. Another video all about crochet patterns and ideas for guys. So yeah, so this is part 1, and I will get part 2 out pretty soon after that. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.